Never mind, Cranky. It's only sticky if it gets wet.
I guess maybe I am.
When Hero saw a sharp bend up ahead, he decided to slow down.
Look at me, Hero! No one will believe I went faster than you!
Get a move on, Diesel! Jay!
But Thomas was too excited to slow down.
Hero! Are you all right?
Don't you worry, Hero. I'll have you back on the tracks in no time.
Thomas felt terrible about causing the accident. He hoped Sir Topham Hatt wouldn't be too cross.
Now then, Hero, how did this happen?
Never mind, Cranky. It's only sticky if it gets wet.
Of my cargo came loose.
Yes, well, I suppose these things do happen. The sooner you both get back to work, the better, eh? Off you go. Oh, dear. Looks like the damage is worse than we thought. You'll need to go to the steamworks for repairs, Hero.
Hero was wrong. I'm no master of the railway.